Now we'll practice Prasarit Padottanasana. Spread the legs apart with 3 feet distance. Stretch the knees. Place the feet parallel to each other. Inhale. Raise the hands upwards. Exhale. Stretching the chin away from the chest. Bend forward. Bring the hands down and place them in between the feet. Inhale. Chin away from the chest and straighten the elbows. Exhale. Chin to the chest. Bend the elbows. Bring the head through the hands in between the legs. Feel the stretch at the knees. Inhale and slowly head up. 2. Exhale. Chin to the chest. Bend the elbows. 3. Chin away from the chest. Again chin to the chest. Bring the head through the hands in between the legs. 4. Elbows straight. Chin away from the chest. Chin to the chest. 5. Chin away from the chest. Exhale. Chin to the chest. Stay in that position. Now increase the distance between the legs. Exhale and slowly rest the crown of the head on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and come up. Stand straight.